Which is the largest bird in the world? A. Ostrich. B. Penguin. C. Emu. D. Albatross. Answer A. Ostrich. What is the tallest mountain in the world? A. Mount Everest. B. Mount Kilimanjaro. C. Mount Fuji. D. Mount McKinley. Answer A. Mount Everest. What is the currency of Japan? A. Yen. B. Euro. C. Dollar. D. Pound. Answer A. Yen. Which country is famous for the Taj Mahal? A. India. B. China. C. Egypt. D. Greece. Answer A. India. Who is the author of the famous novel, To Kill a Mockingbird? A. Harper Lee. B. J.K. Rowling. C. George Orwell. D. Ernest Hemingway. Answer A. Harper Lee.